Which Hermes scarf is Sofia Richie wearing in this selfie? Like my other videos, we don't have any other angles, no movie footage. This is it. There are actually 5 details that we can see from this photo alone. Let's start with number 1 on the corner where we can see this blue and orange, which I've matched to this blue and orange corner. Number 2, we're taking a look at any defining features in the center of the scarf. This one actually looks really empty, besides a tiny hint of brown right here, which I've matched to something like this. Third detail are these dots along the edges, and this is actually a big hint at the time period because Hermes just started doing this in the last few years. So now we know that we're not looking at a vintage scarf, and I've matched those dots to these dots. Number 4, we're going to take a look at the size. This looks smaller than a 90 but bigger than a 45, so I'm going to go with a size 70. I compared this photo of us here. I have on a size 70, but mine is double knotted. She has on a size 70, hers is single. They still look very similar in size. Number 5, we're taking a look at the silk texture. I think this is a 70 because the silk looks a little bit thinner than it would be on the 90. To show you what I mean, this is a size 90 and you can see it has some body and even some resistance right here. However, with the size 70, it kind of just pools where I put it. Furthermore, I took a quick look at Google and I found out that she went to Nobu that night. She is wearing that scarf and you can see it sort of flowing in the wind, which wouldn't really happen that way with the size 90. Now for the grand reveal. Sofia Richie is wearing Liz Bassets by Xavier de Poret. It was released in fall/winter 2020. Claim to fame is his amazing animal portraits. Here's a detailed shot of that corner, a little bit of the interior. Thinking about this now, this actually makes a lot of sense because it looks exactly like her dog. Here's an adorable shot of them together. And I'm wearing my dog scarf today too. If you're wondering about anyone else's scarves, please let me know and I'll make a video.